Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use AI models on the CapCut PC app. It used to be on just the mobile app, but let's get started with the video. If you scroll all the way to the right, there's AI avatars and fashion model. Select the fashion model one, and I am just going to find the outfit. So make sure that the image of the item is like not blurry and it's clear and it's like on a white background. Here you can also then find the female model of your choice. Let's go to female and then let's do hands on hips. I can't use it though because I don't have Pro, but you're just going to select generate and it's going to basically place the dress on the model, which I think is pretty cool, but as you can see, I need to join Pro. But that is pretty much it. Just make sure you upload that photo. And yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Oh, can I generate this? I forgot you need to actually click on it. Oh no, I can't. But that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.